What if I told you that you could create and publish Amazon books without writing a single word, without designing covers, and without spending weeks learning KDP, and still receive royalties? Sounds counterfeit, right? That's precisely what Book Ninja claims to do. And in this video, we'll demonstrate what it actually is, how it works, and whether it's a legitimate option for you. Let's be honest about it. When it comes to Amazon KDP, most people fall short because they don't understand the kinds of books that actually sell. Writing can take an excessive amount of time. Cover design and formatting can be confusing, and hiring a freelance writer costs more than the book earns. That's why many beginners give up way before they even publish one book. That's precisely what Book Ninja was created to address. It's an AI-powered Amazon KDP software that assists you identify profitable book ideas, create the entire book interior, design a pre-ready-to-insert cover, and format everything precisely as Amazon wants. All from one dashboard. You are not purchasing a course. You are not hiring anyone. Instead, you are utilizing a tool that does the substantial lifting for you. Let's break down the crucial features and why they are essential. 1. Profitable niche finder. Book Ninja engages in real Amazon data analysis to show you what is already being bought. You don't need to be guessing. You are creating books that people are already purchasing. 2. AI book creator. It generates coloring books, puzzle books, activity books, low-content nonfiction books. 3. One-click KDP formatting. Everything is tailored precisely to Amazon's requirements. No rejections, no fussy formatting issues. Let me be crystal clear about this. Book Ninja will not make you a rich overnight sensation. It will not upload books for you either. Instead, you still need to properly list your book on Amazon. But what it does offer you: massive time savings, lower startup costs, and a realistic path to consistently creating and publishing several books. If you're a beginner, this removes 90% of the confusion. This is the perfect solution if you're just starting your Amazon KDP journey. You want a simple, beginner-friendly way to publish your own books faster than ever before. You're not looking for another full-time job. You're not willing to spend countless hours writing to your heart's content. If this sounds like you, then keep watching this video. I'll leave you with a final takeaway on what Book Ninja can do for you. Click the link below right now. Enjoy this unbeatable offer, and don't miss out on this rare opportunity.
To this Book Ninja demo. In this demo, I'm going to show you how simple and fast it is to create a mid-content book. So here in the dashboard, you're going to go over to mid-content books up here and click. So we start in the Analyze section. We're going to click on Content Type. And you have these three options for mid-content books: crossword puzzle books, word search books, and coloring books. So I'm going to click coloring books, and then you have a category selection. So let's go with adults, nature, and gardens, and then click Analyze Trends. In a couple seconds, you now see the top 10 opportunities that are ranked based on the most trending topics or niches for coloring books in this case. So you have number 1, celestial bloomscapes, cosmic florals, and starry gardens. Over here, you've got rankings. You've got a score for demand, a score for how much competition there is, and an overall score. You've got all these other top 10 that you can go with. Let's go with deep sea fantasies, coral reefs, and aquatic wonders. Click over here where it says create book. And you can actually choose full book mode by clicking here. And we're going to choose a medium complexity level for the coloring book. And we're going to choose 20 pages. Click Generate 20-page book. And within about 2 or 3 minutes, the book is ready. As you can see, you've got the previews here of the book. Then you can click the download button, download the book, save it, and now it's ready for upload. Let's take a quick look at the book. We'll see some of the coloring pages, and you can make these coloring books for kids. You can make these coloring books for adults, and they sell like crazy on Amazon. The process is the same whether you're creating a coloring book or a word search book or a crossword puzzle book. Next, you click here to generate a cover for your coloring book. And here's an example of what the cover looks like. I'm going to click on cover image right here just so you can see the cover really quick. Now this is for a different book, but you get the idea of the quality of the cover here. So mandala coloring books are really popular because they are this circular design that have a lot of intricacy to them, and they really help people relax, relieve anxiety, relieve stress when it comes to coloring these books. So this is the cover image, and then this is the actual image that you're going to want to upload to Amazon. This is the KDP cover PDF. So I'm going to click on that. We're going to save it. So let's look at that. And as you can see here, it is perfectly set up for printing on Amazon KDP. That's what these lines are for. They designate the print area. And it's a front cover here on the right and a back cover on the left, combined in one PDF document. So all you do is you upload this cover and the contents document, which is this one, and you are done. You're off to the races. This is a very fast process. In timing it, it took only 4 minutes to create an entire coloring book. And let me tell you, when I was doing coloring books manually, it would take me about 2 hours. Plus, I would have to pay somebody on Fiverr to make sure the book was formatted correctly. Here, everything is done in 4 minutes. It's formatted correctly. You've got your interior content as well as your book cover perfectly done and ready to upload. So you don't waste any time and you don't spend any money on additional services. It's an amazing opportunity. This same process works with the word search books and with the crossword puzzle books. But that's not all, because if you go back to the dashboard, this main section here allows you to create all kinds of nonfiction books as well. And nonfiction is an amazing category because these are digital books. These are ebooks. So these are super hot sellers on Amazon. And now you have the ability to create 4 different kinds of books. You have the ability to create ebooks in nonfiction categories. These are like how-to books and those types of things, as well as mid-content books, coloring books, word search books, and crossword puzzle books, and do them in minutes. So you become like a Amazon KDP factory. You're creating books, you're uploading them, and the most important thing I want you to know is these are the highest quality books. So you become like a Amazon KDP factory. You're creating books, you're uploading them, and the most important thing I want you to know is these are the highest quality books. My books are already getting great ratings, great sales. It's an amazing opportunity. You've got to check this out.